Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. I have a new video for you today, and it is a haul from, it's like a spring and Eastery haul from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. First up, let's look at Walmart. Okay, we're gonna get some sewing stuff out of the way. So I was wondering if you guys knew that Walmart has a section where the fabrics are. They're like these bins where you can get a bunch of fabric for really inexpensive. Like this is 2 yards for $4. And I bought some patterns that I want to try to make things with, but I didn't want to ruin like really cute patterns, fabric. And so what I did was I got just some really inexpensive fabric. So I got this was $4, but they did have cute ones in that section. It just wasn't my style. And then I got this. I thought this would be cute for like a t-shirt or a nightgown or something. So I have a t-shirt and a nightgown pattern I want to try. And then I also got this striped one and just this plain beige one. Like I said, I just got like really plain, really inexpensive because I wanted to try it. Okay, and then in that section, I got a water-soluble marking pencil, so like you can write on fabric and stuff. I've been hearing people ranting and raving over this this metallic ribbon, or not ribbon, thread, so I got some. Then I got this little pin magnet, put all your little pins on. And then I also got this dual purpose twin marking pen. It's got disappearing ink. And then I got this Cotton Candy Cloud limited edition scented wax cubes. You guys, I'm on a wax cube obsession right now. Oh, this one smells so good. You're gonna see some from Hobby Lobby too. Usually I do candles, but I don't know. I'm just totally into my little wax warmer melty things. So yeah. Then here's the basket, or here's the bag that has all the like springy Easter things from Walmart. So I got this little set. I thought this was so cute for dyeing eggs. I love this. Look how this can like hold your egg inside of it. Like normally you try to put it on these and like it's not very sturdy and they fall off. And it also comes with the cups, and then I think it has like stickers and stuff inside there. And then it's got your coloring, you know, your colors, your dye tablets, I should say. So I thought that was so cute. So I got that. And then I got a pink one too, just the holder by itself. So we have a pink holder, a blue holder, and then I also got a set of cups from Dollar Tree. So we've got 2 sets of cups. And then also in that section, I found some super cute little picks. I found these little bunny ears, which I thought were adorable. And then I found these cute little eggs. I also got some of these pencils, which were so cute, and they're just like, you know, those little pencils, what are they called? Like, you know what I'm talking about? I don't know if you can like take these apart or not. Like there's sometimes where you can take these apart and move them from the bottom to the top. I don't know, but I got those for little goodies. And then I got a couple of things from the Pioneer Woman. I got a meat tenderizer. So I thought that was a pretty color. Got a meat tenderizer, and then I got these really pretty little bowls. And what are these called? We keep our like salt and stuff in them by the stove, so that we're not like doing our grinder, because like it takes forever when you're just trying to hurry up and cook something. And I also got this one. And sometimes we'll put stuff in them, like if I open a can of tuna and my cat freaks out and she wants tuna, I'll put the juice in one of these little teeny tiny things and serve them to her. And then I got this. So this is a bunny dough case. It's a Peeps bunny dough case, but I got it for, I didn't get it for the dough inside. I got it for the 2 or the 3 cookie cutters. So see how it has the cookie cutters? I got it for the one that's shaped like a peep for my polymer clay. So I can make little bunny polymer clays. I also got some organic oregano. And I got these really cute mini pie plates from Pioneer Woman. Look how cute those are. Oh my gosh, let's open those. Let's see the design on those. Oh my gosh, I love the cowboy hat. How cute. And then this one also came in it, and it's this pretty little cow. So adorable. So got that, and that was it from Walmart. Let's see. Let me move some of these out of the way. Move these 3 out of the way. Okay. Then from Hobby Lobby, I got some cute stuff, guys, from there. I found another thing from Valentine's Day. I think I only found one thing. I found these cute little heart stickers. Then I just got some elastic. And I got this, Worry Less, Pray More, A Woman's Devotional Guide to Anxiety-Free Living. I'm going to give that to my friend who is suffering from anxiety, and we shall see if that helps her. Okay. Then, oh, I had to replenish my bees. These were on sale, so I had to get them. I got these stickers last year, and they were so cute, so I had to get another pack of them. And I got some cute fabrics. I got this really pretty, this was 30% off, I want to say. It was $2.79, but they gave me an additional 30% off because the fabric was 30% off. So it's like somebody bought this and then they brought it back. So that's pretty. And then I got this, which I thought was beautiful. And I got this cute little bee one. I got an itch, guys. I'm trying to itch. Okay, I got this cute little bee one. And then I got this gorgeous bee one. I think I want to make napkins out of this, like fabric napkins. I think this is so pretty. Maybe placemats? I don't know, but I love those. I love that. Then, crafty stuff. Let's see. I got some sequins. I got these cute little, what are they, like clouds and rainbows and stars. And I got these pretty butterfly ones. And then I got these super cute little bee buttons? Yeah, bee buttons from the spring area. And I got these sequins or like little shells over in the like jewelry section. This is pretty. I have never seen this before, so I think this is new. And this is that faux ribbon. It's almost like, it's called Glitter Cut Edge Wide Ribbon. So it's over in the ribbon section. It's like, it's almost like where they have all that faux leather. It was over there. Then I got these super cute little stickers, these little sunflowers. You guys, I'm growing sunflowers in my garden. I hope they grow. I got these stickers. And I got these pretty butterflies. Look how pretty those are with the glitter. And then I got more of these. I got these last year, but I used a lot of them. I think I only have a couple left. And then I didn't see these ones last year, so I got this color. These were just like faux little mini roses. I don't know if I think they're made out of paper. Then you guys, I told you that I bought, I went crazy on the melts. So I got, these were on sale when I was there. So I got coconut milk and patchouli, and what is this one? Exotic or erotic? Exotic. I was like, please don't tell me. Don't tell me. Hobby Lobby has erotic milk. Okay. Anyway, Madagascar vanilla and cedar. And this one's just called Relax. This is mandarin and mint. And then this is beach getaway. You should have seen me. I was like smelling all of them. My husband's like, hurry up. Like, but I want to make sure I get the one I like. And then I got this cute little faux succulent. I thought it just looked really good. You know how sometimes the succulents can just look terrible when they do the faux plants? These were on sale. These were not, this was not $99.99. It was like 50% off or something when I went there that day, but so cute. It's got like the rocks and, whoa, sorry guys. Got that, and then I also got these cute bee stickers. Look at those. They're so cute. They've got like little vellum, not leaves, wings, and then they have like little glitter bodies and then like black gemmy heads. I thought those were so cute. And I also got these in the Bee Design Co. section. Cute little cabochon package. And also it's got like little things that you can stick wire and stuff through. And then I found these cute little lips. Can you guys see those? They're like glittery lips. They're so cute. Those will be so cute for Valentine's Day. And I also found these cute little buttons. These are little ladybugs. And then I think I said in another video, I'm trying to build up my little faux flower collection. So I found these cute little baby white flowers and they have glitter on them. Aren't those so pretty? And then I got this cute little watering can. I think this is gonna go in like my 2-tiered tray or something, and I'm probably gonna just like, I don't know what I'm gonna stuff in there, but I'm sure I'll stuff something in there. And oh, I got this at checkout. I could not pass this by. These were on sale. Look how pretty. I love little dainty stuff like that. And it's just a really pretty bracelet with a little heart on it and sparkly. So that was cute. I also got these sequins in the sequin section. They're just like some heart sequins. And then I'm trying to start up a collection of diamond dots. So I got some red ones. I got these bright red ones and these darker red ones. And then I got these really pretty pastel pink. Then I found these. They didn't have a lot of colors of these, but I got 3 of the ones that they had. These have like an A-B finish on them, so I got yellow. I'm definitely gonna use this in an upcoming bee project. And they also had white. And then they had peach or coral, like a light coral. So I think, did I do it? I think I did it, guys. I think I showed you everything I got. I think this is like my last haul video for a while. I've got to do some tutorials that I have been promising people for months, and I've got to clean my craft room. It's crazy. I think I told you guys in another video that we had painters here and people were replacing windows, and we took out a bunch of stuff from, you know, stuff like just stuff off of tables and stuff. So like when workmen and women are walking through your house, they're not knocking down things on accident as they're, you know, carrying stuff in. So like we put a lot of stuff in my room. We lifted up rugs and rolled them up and put them on my room so that they wouldn't trip on them as they're walking with their work boots. And you know how that can go when you have thick work boots on and you can trip over a rug, the rubber gets caught. So just stuff like that. And because my room is not used only by me, I was able to go work in another room in the house and just, yeah. So I need to clean all that out, and then I need to organize all of this stuff that I recently bought and gifts that were sent to me. And then hopefully I can start doing some tutorials and project shares, and I don't know, I want to go see if there's challenges out there that I can enter, but I got to get this all organized and put away, and yeah. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Gigi says hi, and I'll talk to you soon. Did you guys hear her meow? Okay, there she goes. Okay, take care. Bye, guys.